Hey everyone, it's Andy from Snow Camp Europe here up on the Kitzsteinhorn Glacier. And in this video, we're just looking at the new snow cannons that have been put in place during summer 2024. You probably see this one behind me that is nowhere near the ski area. I'm going to tell you why in a second. Now, you will see that there are a few of these cameras up high at the very top of the ski area, and then there are some lower down. And if you're familiar with the Kitzsteinhorn Glacier, the Kitz and K's run, which is where the main T-bar runs up, either side of this used to have portable snow cannons. And now on the left, as we look up, we've got 4 new cannons that are up high, remote control. They can angle them in any different direction. And then on the opposite side, there's 3 that have been installed. Now, this is the first phase of the installation of these cannons. The cannons are going to run all the way up alongside the main piste to ensure that the glacier area is covered in snow, with sufficient snow for people to ski on in the coming years. It's all part of obviously the long-term plan. But as you can see from this one behind me, pretty big machines. And these ones, this one and then the 3 to my right, have been placed right above the ski area, almost at the highest point really, not actually near any of the pistes. And that's so that they can literally just make as much snow as possible, that they can then move with the machines onto the ski area. So rather than them blasting directly onto the ski piste, causing big mounds during the day when the pistes are open, then these are going to just produce snow, possibly also to produce snow for the depots for the summer at the highest, coldest point possible. So there's 4 of them up here. One of them is over near the piste as you come out of the Gletscherjet for gondola. The other 3 are way back off the piste. And then, as I say, down at Kitz and K's at the bottom there, we've got the first installation, 4 on the left, 3 on the right, and then they're going to go all the way up the piste. Hopefully you found that useful, folks. Just keeping you updated on the developments on the Kitzsteinhorn Glacier. And yeah, Andy for Snow Camp Europe saying hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget we publish a snow report every Wednesday, and bye for now.